student of class 3. How are you? And today I am going to teach you social study, your second chapter, globes and maps. Now let's start your chapter. Have you ever seen a globe? Yes or no? Give me answer. Yes, lots of the students have seen globe. And second question is, do you have a globe in your classroom? Do you have a globe in your classroom? Yes, we are having this globe. Now, let's start. We all know that our earth is round in shape. It is so big that we can't see the whole part at a time. That is why globe and maps are used to study the earth. Now look at here. You already know about that. The earth is too big. We cannot see the whole part of the earth at a time. So we use the model of the earth is called globe. This is the model of the earth. It's look like a globe. We use this for watching the countries and oceans. Okay. Now, a globe is a model of earth. The rod of the globe present the axis of the earth. This rod is the axis of the earth. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. These are the imaginary line. It passing through the center of the globe. The globe is placed on a stand. It is placed on a stand. We can see only half of the earth at a time. To see the other half, we have to rotate. When we see the globe, we see the half part of the earth. If we see the back part of the earth, we have to turn this globe. Okay. It is difficult to carry a globe from one place to another, and it is difficult to carry this globe from one place to another place. This is a small globe, and actually the globe is also big. Now, maps. A map is a drawing of an area or a part of an area on a flat surface. Maps can come in different shapes and sizes. They can be folded. We can take them anywhere we want. A map is which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called world map. On map is a drawing of area, a particular area. If we are talking about South Africa, we have to purchase the map of South Africa, which is drawn in a blank paper. Is a surface paper which is very easy to carry anywhere. We can fold the map easily anywhere. A map is which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called world map. If we are seeing the whole part of the map, this map, okay, this is called the world map. Now, atlas, a book which contains many maps, is called an atlas. In an atlas, we can find maps of different countries, state, river, ocean, mountains, and many other things. Atlas is a book of different kinds of map we are having it. Like state map, country map, ocean map, river map, mountain maps. Now, oceans. What is oceans? The large water bodies are called oceans. These are four main oceans in the world. Four main oceans in the world are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is considered as the fifth ocean by some people. There are four main oceans. Four main oceans are oceans. First is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is also the largest ocean in the world. And second is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. And third one is Indian Ocean. And fourth one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. These are the main four oceans in the world, and the largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. The smallest ocean in the world is Arctic Ocean. And fifth ocean is considered by the people is Antarctic Ocean, which is Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. You have to learn these ocean names with spelling also. Okay. Four major ocean is, these are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian and Arctic, and people consider the Antarctic Ocean. Okay. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after a country. Indian Ocean is the only ocean which named after the country. See here, if you see in this globe, on this globe, you have to see here is India. Here is India, and this is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is named after by this country, our India. Okay. There are mountain ranges, trenches, volcanoes on the ocean floor. The smaller bodies of water are called seas, bays and gulfs. And oceans are having mountain ranges. In the bed of ocean, there are mountain ranges also, and trenches. Trenches means deep inside the ocean bed. Okay, deep inside the ocean bed is called trench. And volcanoes means the hot vapor or gas or lava erupted from the earth crust. And a gulf is a large inlet form the ocean into the land masses. These oceans and other water bodies are shown in blue color on the map and globe. These oceans and water bodies are shown in blue color. Look at here. The blue part of the earth is called ocean, water body parts. Okay. Now continents. Continent, the large land masses of the land are called continent. These land masses, these continents, South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Australia, these are the continents. And there are 7 continents. There are 7 continents. Okay, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Where is Antarctica? See here, this is Antarctica, the coldest area in the world. Okay, Antarctica. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent in the world. The continents are further divided into smaller parts which are called countries. And if we are talking about any particular continent, just like for example Asia. Okay, in Asia it is also divided into different countries also. In Asia there is India, okay, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Russia, which is also in Asia continent. For example, India is the part of Asia. India is the part of Asia continent. Thus, India is a country present in the continent of Asia. Now, see in your book, this is the world map, and there are different continents with the ocean also. Now look at here, you have to paste political map of world in your notebook, and you have to write the continent name and color it, okay, in different colors. This is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia and Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent in the world, and here is India, which is in Asia continent. And direction in map, if we see the map, we all know there are 4 main directions. We have already know that there are 4 main directions. Which is 4 main directions? 4 main directions are look at here, this is north, below part, south, west, and this is east. The 4 main direction is we can find any place or a map on a map which the help of these 4 directions, north, east, west, south. If we stand facing a map, the top of the map is north. If we are facing map, look at here, if we are facing the map, the top of the part of the map is north, and the south is on the bottom. The south is on the bottom. To your left is west. Your left is west and your right is east. The direction are same in all type of maps. If we are seeing any map, the direction is same. Okay, left side is west and right side is east. Bottom of the map is north and bottom of the map is south and top of the map is north. Now, compass, a magnetic device which is used to find directions, is called a compass. A compass has magnetic needle which always point to the north. It looks like a wristwatch. It contains a magnetist pointer free to align itself with the Earth's magnetic field. Compass look like a watch, and its needle always shows always point the north direction. Now here is some quick recap. Small is a model of Earth, is called a globe. A map is a drawing on a flat surface. Ocean are the large water bodies. The large masses of land are called continent. Asia is the largest continent. And here is some word meanings. Globe. A globe is a model of Earth. map, a drawing of an area of or a part on a flat surface is called a map. Atlas, a book of maps. Okay. Ocean, a big water body. Continent, a big landmass. Okay. You have to do some hard words and these word meanings in your notebook also, and paste one world map, political world map, and draw a globe in your notebook. And you have there is some take the correct options questions. What is the use to study the earth? Which is the correct answer? What is the use to study the earth? Globe or map? Both. Yes, both. Option A or B is the correct answer. A small model of the earth is called globe. A book of map is called an atlas. A large masses of land are called continent. And you have to do fill in the blanks in your notebook also, and this one line of each question, this question is also you have to do in your notebook, and one word answer and question answers obviously you have to do. Okay student, take care and bye bye.